I am going to show you how to use your accessory adapter. Each jumping jack 2016 or newer came with an accessory adapter. What you're going to do is hang that right on the end of your wing there. As you can tell, it's got this section that will go right on the edge of the wing and this one that will go over the rail of your trailer. We're going to drop that on there, and that's what's going to support all of our other accessories. First, we're going to start with our cooler rack. The cooler rack is designed with these tabs to hang on the rail of your wing. Without the accessory adapter, you do not have enough support to be able to put a cooler in the cooler rack in this position. So you do need that accessory adapter. We're going to take that cooler rack, slide it over the rail, bring it down, and as you can tell, it is supported off of that accessory adapter. Now, when putting a cooler in this, you do want to be sure to not heave it up and slam it down into that cooler rack. You definitely want to have somebody help you lift the cooler and set it down gently, not to damage any of those pieces. In addition to the cooler rack, if you have a water rack and a kitchenette top, they can also be used in this position. The water rack is designed to hang on the accessory adapter with the wing rail giving the water rack support. When it has water in it, it is going to be very heavy, so it does need that support from that wing rail. So it is important that you are using an accessory adapter. Even if you're not using the cooler rack and you wanted to just use a water rack, you do need that accessory adapter. So I'm going to take that water rack. It'll slide right in here, mount right on that accessory adapter, and it has plenty of support off of that wing rail. Once that water rack is installed, we can then take our kitchenette top, which is provided with a drain hose that you'll mount on the bottom of there. And that kitchenette top simply sits inside of that cooler rack, creating this sink system here with your gravity fed water.